Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-er, chicken filler. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. So today I have my friend with me.
Hello.
Her name is Chin Yu, and we actually met at work at my gym.
Yeah.
She's super cool. But yeah.
Not as cool as Tomi.
Oh, that's so sweet. She lying though. So today on my channel, I'm going to be taste testing. We are going to be taste testing HealthAde. Someone on my Snapchat noticed that I really love like kombucha, and they asked me to do a taste test. Make sure you add me on Snapchat. It'll be right here. So yeah, we're going to taste test kombucha. A lot of these flavors I've never tasted before. Some of them I've tasted 2 of the flavors. I don't know. Have you tasted any?
I think I have. I don't remember which one.
We're gonna start from this side, that way. I think this is the original. So that's a good one to start with. Oh, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do make sure to click the subscribe button. And follow me on my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Do you have any social media?
No.
Never mind. So the first flavor we're gonna start off with is the original, which I think is actually a good place to start so we can compare flavors. And we're being very fancy. I have my little glasses for my teeth. I've never tasted the original flavor before, so this will be interesting. 1, 2, 3. This is really good. I actually really like this. I thought it was gonna be bland. This is really good.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever had like a original flavor kombucha. How are you not done with yours?
I have this thing where I like, whenever I drink, I hold the liquid in my mouth so I can actually taste it.
Oh, okay.
It's weird, but
yeah,
I do it. My sister hates it. This is a 5 over 5. Next one is the blood orange. Oh, blood orange, carrot, and ginger. They say don't shake it, but it never actually bubbles.
Thank you.
I've tasted this one before, but the color, I've actually never seen what the color looks like. Ready?
Yeah. I think it's more sour.
I think after having the first one, this one tastes really sour. I'm not rating this one. It doesn't taste good.
I think it's sour, but not orangey enough.
So this one is the holiday cheer. This one was actually on sale, so I hope I like it so I can go back and get all of them. Ooh, excuse me. This one has blends notes of ginger, allspice, chocolate, and so much more. I need to know what that so much more is. This one said sweet and tart. It was not sweet. It says chocolate. It's kind of brown.
Oh.
Yeah.
Not really.
No. I taste the chocolate.
I don't know what I taste.
This next one is ginger and lemon. Pucker up with our classic and fan favorite, organic raw ginger lemon kombucha. We'll find out if it's a fan favorite. Wow. I can taste the ginger.
Yeah, that's...
And I smelled it straight out too.
It's a really strong aftertaste. I think it might be a bit too much for me.
I don't know how that's a fan favorite.
So this is a jalapeno kiwi cucumber. Cool and sweet with a touch of spice, and organic jalapeno kiwi cucumber kombucha is oh so nice. I'm nervous about this one. Oh, I did worse than you.
I smell it.
I smell it too. Jalapeno kombucha, here we go.
First taste is not that great, but then it settles down and it's like, oh, that's kind of refreshing.
It's not really spicy. I thought it was gonna be spicy.
I thought so too. I would probably never buy that one. Even though like it's kind of refreshing, I would probably never buy that one ever again.
Do you want to introduce it? I have to do it? Okay, this one is the Cayenne Cleanse. Cayenne. Our organic and raw cayenne cleanse kombucha, a mix of lime, ginger, and semi-spicy cayenne will make you tingle happy.
After that jalapeno.
Yeah, I'm still tingling from the jalapeno. Oh shoot.
1, 2, 3.
Someone got in my nose.
X. This is a no for me. It is kind of spicy. It has like a spicy aftertaste. But no,
I can't really tell. I still taste the spice from like these two. I feel like
it's tasteless and it's spicy. Yeah. Next one, Pink Lady Apple. Yay!
Do you want to introduce it?
Sure. Okay, guys, we're cheating because Pink Lady Apple is my favorite. But this one is incredibly crisp with a hint of cider. Our organic and raw Pink Lady Apple Kombucha is truly nature's treat. Yay! Yay! I'm literally excited. I already said Pink Lady Apple is my favorite, so we already know where this is going.
I think I just like the fruity ones more in general. I think some people like the ginger and the spicy ones. So I guess it's just a matter of preference.
Yeah. I can see how people are like the ginger and lemon one, but I'd rather have ginger and lemon tea than kombucha, which is technically tea. Hot, non-fermented tea. All right, and we're on our last one.
Pomegranate. Pomegranates are out of this world delicious, and that's all we add to our organic and raw pomegranate kombucha. Not again. Okay.
1, 2. I just realized.
What?
I think my camera's locked.
That's really good. I like that.
It was alright. I mean, it was okay.
It's better than your Pink Lady Apple.
It's not better than my Pink Lady Apple. So we've come to the end of this taste test. So, what are your like top 3?
The pomegranate, the Pink Lady, and the holiday cheers.
I think my top. Thanks for asking. Oh my god.
Well, you were gonna say. I
was gonna say Pink Lady Apple.
Surprise.
Original was definitely a top 3. That might actually be my new favorite, honestly. I would say this one. What's that one? Holiday Cheer. Yeah, that one was a really good one. It was really mild.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the end of our little kombucha taste test thing. We actually have like more kombucha, but we're just trying HealthAde today because it's really good for you. Oh, benefits of kombucha, it does help. I mean, you could do your research, but it does really help aid digestion. It does have vitamins and nutrients that are good for us to have in our bodies, which is probably what everybody says about everything healthy. It's really good. I use it a lot of times when I'm craving like a sweet drink, which I don't crave as much as before. I'll have kombucha. It's really good. Like I said, it does help with like digestion and stuff, which I really, really like. I hope you guys enjoyed our little taste test. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on my social media like I said once before. And I will see you guys in my clap for Chiyu. I'm so happy that she came to join us on my channel. It was so nice of her. It was kind of last minute and I was like, do a video with me, and she was like, okay. So I'm very happy she came to join us. Are you happy?
Maybe.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you and God bless. Bye. That was great.
Yay.
Let me take some more of this original. This was amazing.
You don't like Chick-fil-A?
Oh.
How can you not like Chick-fil-A?
It's not that great.
Oh,
Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-er, chicken filler. Chicken filler. That's what I believe. They probably started off with chicken filler, and then they were like, oh, chicken filler? Chick-fil-A? Chick-fil-A? Chick-fil-A.
Ooh. Fillet.
Oh. You know, that could
What?
actually make sense. You know, like fish fillet?
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Really?
Hmm? Is it not?
I think it's chicken fillet.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane, I could be your escape.